So Steph, F6, middle of the range.
I love this. This is the one I'll go to more
step.
than anything else because this is the one where I'll go. Do I need to go heavy? Do I need to go lighter?
It's a good gauge, isn't it?
Yeah, very good gauge. On light coloured cars as well, that and done.
Generally walk away from that stage.
Really good at removing minor imperfections in paintwork.
There's a fair bit of bite in it, but it flows down so lovely.
Yeah.
Amazing product.
Yeah. It's got a really nice gloss level to this as well. And again, it's not messy.
No.
So easy clean up time.
Got
Happy
to work
days.
with it.
Yeah, definitely.
Cracking product. So Steph, I think we should talk about priming the pad and how much compound to use on the pad. And
yeah, so you've got a used pad.
Yeah.
I've got a new pad, so I'm going to put slightly more on than you are, James.
I'm going to still put my 4 P drops. Beautiful.
Okay, the easiest way I find of priming a pad is just putting it straight on,
Yeah, I agree.
holding it in one spot, and just turn the machine on.